X-Force Deadpool.
Alright, unboxing Deadpools.
Oh, I got a super rare.
What's he always?
I got a super rare. I got
Big dude.
Hammer. I got Hammer.
Oh yeah.
Got Hammer. What'd you get?
Oh no, you got the cow. I got the cow.
You got Hell Cow.
Oh, dude, nice.
Oh, got Cable. And
Oh, you got Shatterstar, dude.
Shatterstar.
I got another Deadpool.
Did you open the pinky one?
Oh hell no.
Pablo. I got super rare.
That's that good Wolverine, though. Like, not good.
Where'd you get that?
Oh man.
Okay, that guy. Oh, you got a super rare.
Oh, I got Strife.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
And you got another Stingray.
I got
Why is, no, he's a different.
Oh yeah, he is.
Read his ability.
I got Cable. Dark Deadpool with a chainsaw.
Oh, dude, he is so cool looking.
Oh, I got Psylocke.
Read the card. We'll find out.
It's exciting. All right, Wes.
Oh, I got both. I didn't realize that.
Right.
Here's a super. It's Hell Cow. Right. Another guy.
Oh, is he a super? Strife is cool looking.
I like Dark Deadpool because he got a
This guy's in
chainsaw.
a bag.
Anyone get a chase?
Cylon. Mad Cat.
Are you gonna, if you win it, you gonna go buy it? Because there's no chase, no one pulled it.
How many are left?
4 boosters left.
Ooh.
He's probably gonna like the winner by 2, if not first, second.
Get the
If I win, I might.
privilege.
If I win, I might have to.
I mean, like, it has to be. I can't chase there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or
cause
Prime.
oh, dude, I can't get him out.
Yeah, I had that problem with one of them.
Dude, does anybody got a knife?
Okay, guys, we're back. My dad is not feeling very good right now, so we just got back from the prayer days, and he's just not feeling good. So I'm going to show all of our stuff, and I'm kind of sick too. That's why you heard my voice kind of go out a little bit. But so I'm gonna go over all my stuff and all his stuff. So first up, we have Psylocke, uncommon. There's her card. She is 90 points, and she has the X-Men team ability. We have common Deadpool. Oh wait, no. Oh no, that's later. We have a common Madcap for 100 points, and he is a common. We have a common Cable, which is really good. I got 3rd place with using him on my team. He is 120 points. Pretty decent. We got Shatterstar. 60 points. He's really good for 60. He's got 5 clicks and stuff. So he's a rare. He is a rare, and he has the X-Men team ability. So does Cable. Sorry, I forgot to say that. Next up, we have Tippy Toe. I used it, and it was really hard to hit. 25 points, common. It's tiny. Dark Deadpool, another figure I used, common. 85 points. Next up, we have uncommon Deadpool. I believe it's 75 points. Yep. The shifting focus one. Yeah, that. And that. Sorry, I don't think I showed these ones. That. And there. That. And I didn't show we might as well say we are getting a brick and we are going to unbox it. So I'm very excited about that. Next up we have Hammer. First super rare. I guess I'll read this card because it's a super rare. His trait is Hammer can't carry characters that are his size. When Hammer makes a ranged attack targeting a single opposing character, he may also target all opposing characters adjacent to that target. If you do, modify Hammer target the Hammer's damage value +1 for each target, and then enhancement in range combat expert for 50 points. Not bad at all. And there's his sculpt. He is a super rare, and he is 50 points. He's got the shield team ability. Next up we have Bedlam, uncommon. Then we have a ninja, just a generic common ninja. 15 points for 4 clicks though, not bad. So that's mine. This is my dad's. We got 2 boosters each. So my dad's is Madcap. We already went over that. We have Asp, a common. Tippy Toe, already went over that. Massacre, common, 50 points. Oh, by the way, Asp is 50 points as well. Then we have Strife, super rare, 135 points. When Strife is KO'd, choose a named keyword. Opposing characters with that keyword are dealt penetrating damage equal to half their current click number. This cannot be ignored. He can use telekinesis. He can use that as free action if he's been given a non-free action. Leadership and outwit. So, really cool. We have Shikla, Deadpool's wife. We have common Deadpool, 70 points. Shikla is 80 points, by the way. And she starts on her 4th click. We have Stingray, uncommon, 80 points. We have another Stingray common, but it's a different version, for 80 points. So, let me see. This Stingray is Deadpool Core. See, he's got like Deadpool on it. And then this one is Heroes for Hire. And we have another ninja, which we already went through. So, yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.